Victoria Leat. I'm the Asia Program Advisor for the Pacific Disaster Center. The Pacific Disaster Center is an organization based in Hawaii in America, and the role of the Pacific Disaster Center is really to bridge the gap between science and technology and all the research that's taking place in relation to disaster management and the people on the ground actually responding to disasters, the people making the decisions when a disaster strikes. My idea of a smart or connected nation is really bringing communities together, bringing individuals together, bringing provinces together, and then bringing the whole country together. Part of the idea of a connected nation for me is giving everybody access to the required resources and information that's going to really help them, particularly in relation to disaster management, help them to respond better, to prepare better for disasters and being safer. But really I think it really benefits to have this connection, as I was saying, having that quick information available to people as soon as possible, giving people early warnings, giving people information about what they need to do when there is an event, a hazard event. It's really fundamental to people surviving the disaster and also being able to respond and rebuild themselves afterwards. We work with, as I said, a web-based platform, and having the ability to have good quality connection is really fundamental to that work. Some of the barriers we really come up against is being able to access data as well. We're trying to pull in data about hazard events, but also baseline data from different countries, and the kind of open access to that data is always a challenge to us. We have a very good example of work we've been doing in Indonesia. A version of our disaster aware platform has been customized for the Indonesian government. It's a five years overall, and we're in the second phase. And in this second phase, we've actually partnered with two organizations, Peta Bencana and another organization called HOT, Humanitarian OpenStreetMap, and we're working together to really build resilience within cities. The way that this is really exciting new technology is Peta Bencana have developed this system that allows people to provide social media feeds for flooding. So people can actually hashtag Peta Bencana in relation to flooding in Jakarta, and then for the first time ever, Twitter has allowed them to have a tweet that's bounce backs to them, asking them for more information about the flood event. And people can provide this information. That information goes into Peta Bencana's system and is analysed and aggregated, and then it's pulled into our disaster aware platform. It's pulled into there and displays for the disaster management community in Indonesia to use. So this is really kind of at the cutting edge of using social media to connect individuals who are in a flood event and the people who are going to respond, the government who's going to respond. I guess first of all, infrastructure is very important. Having good telecommunication systems really helps. Secondly, there is better communication and more openness to sharing that. That would be a really useful way to improve disaster management within countries and build more resilient cities and communities. Together we are building a better connected world.